everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and super easy dish, kimchi fried rice. For those who don't know, kimchi is a traditional Korean fermented vegetable dish usually made with cabbage and spices, and it's most commonly eaten as a side dish or banchan in Korean meals. But today we're turning it into a quick and tasty main dish, and it takes less than 15 minutes to make. Let's start with the main character, kimchi. This brand, Jongga, is one of the most popular kimchi brands in Korea, so you can trust that it tastes like real Korean kimchi. I also see other brands sold at different groceries, including vegan kimchi made without anchovies or shrimp. And now for the protein. I'm using pork today, but you can easily substitute it with other options. Canned tuna in oil works well. Just make sure it is in oil, not water, because tuna in water can taste fishy. Another great option is leftover chicken, especially white meat like chicken breast from a roast. And you obviously need rice. Day-old rice is the best because it's less sticky and gives a better texture for fried rice. If you don't have a rice cooker or aren't familiar with cooking rice on a pot, you can use ready-cooked rice from the store. CJ is the most popular choice in Korea, and it's my favorite too. But there are other Korean brands that are good as well. I've also seen ready-cooked rice from Japan, so choose whatever is convenient. As for the sauces, we'll need soy sauce. Either Korean or Japanese-made ones are good. We'll also use gochugaru or Korean chili powder. Make sure not to use crushed pepper or chili powder mixed with smoked paprika or other spices. The one I'm using is from Cheongjongwon, one of the most popular condiment brands in Korea. Kimchi becomes more sour as it ferments, and a bit of sweetness can help balance this out. And now for the optional additions. Koreans have a special love for cheese. It's popular in dishes like tteokbokki, ramen, and of course fried rice. The cheese melts into the rice, adding a creamy texture and a slightly savory flavor that complements the kimchi's spiciness. Another classic topping is a fried egg, which adds a rich and satisfying touch. It's a simple addition, but it takes the dish to the next level and is my personal favorite. Let's start prepping. Chop it into small bite-sized pieces. Now we'll make a quick kimchi sauce. Use about half the amount of rice and kimchi. For 2 people, that's about 1 bowl of kimchi. Add 2 tablespoons of kimchi juice if you like a stronger kimchi flavor. But if you're not familiar with the taste that, you can skip the juice and use less kimchi. Add 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, half a tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of honey to the kimchi. This balances out the sourness of the fermented kimchi. Finish by adding a tablespoon of soy sauce. Chop the kimchi and mix everything together well. In Korea, people often use kitchen scissors to chop the kimchi. But if you don't have scissors, just chop the kimchi first and then mix the sauce. Now let's start cooking. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Add the chopped pork and cook until browned. If you're using canned tuna or cooked chicken, cook until it's heated through. Add the kimchi mixture to the pan and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes until softened and slightly caramelized. This step brings out the flavors of the kimchi. Add the rice to the pan. Break up any clumps and stir fry everything together until all the rice is evenly coated in red. Now for the finishing touches. If you're adding cheese, sprinkle a generous handful of shredded mozzarella over the hot fried rice, creating a gooey, cheesy layer on top. The creamy texture of the melted cheese balances the spiciness of the kimchi, making each bite flavorful and rich. If you prefer a classic touch, go with a fried egg. Make it sunny side up and place it right on top of the kimchi fried rice. And that's it. You've just made delicious kimchi fried rice in under 15 minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick cooking ideas. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. I've included a full cooking video at 10 times speed with a timer, so you can see the entire process in under 15 minutes. Enjoy! And to show how